Hello everybody and welcome to this video. And in this video tutorial we are going to talk about while loop and do while loop. Previously we talked about for loop. I hope you practice some of that, and today we are going to start with while loop and do while loop. So let's go with while loop. While loop is also a kind of loop that repeating something or repeating some value or something we want. And let's go inside by typing a variable name num or number is equal to 5. We are typing the keyword while when you are working with while loop. Then the round bracket inside we can give the expression or the condition like number less than 10, then do something for me. Now we are going to print, for example, something like hello, and here we have to increment the number plus plus means every time the loop is looping it should increase one number to the number. So let's see, now it is printing the hello 5 times for me because we start from 5 and less than 10 it will remain 5 and the 5 message or hello printed for us. We can change the number like 2 and run it again, it will increase. And also we can put the num by typing $sign and the number, we can concatenate the number to our hello text. Now we can see it start from 2 to 9. We can start from any number if we want. For example, I start from 7. It will print the hello from 7 to 9. It comes while it check the condition. If the condition is less than 10, the number is 7 and it is 10, it's true, then it come and print the number and hello, and then increase the number to 8. If 8 is less than 10, then print it again, and it loops around till the condition will be false. Okay, this is the process of while loop, and let's go to the do while loop and see how the do while loop works. Now I'm gonna delete the while loop. I can go through the do while loop. The do while loop, the keyword do, then the curly bracket is the body. So we need to print something first before it go to check the condition. On that time we are going to use do while loop. For example, I'm going to print the hello once, then I increment the number, num plus plus means increase one number, then check the condition after the curly bracket while the number is less than, for example, 10. And now if you run, we will have the result with the same result from 7 to 10. But what is the difference? The difference is the do is first go to the body and print once, after that checking the condition. But when we were working on a while loop, the while loop first checks the condition and then go through the body and print something or do something for us. And this is the major difference of do while loop and while loop. So this is the while loop and do while loop. I hope you understand something from this video, and thank you and see you in the next one.